Hello everyone! A lot of times we want to make something very easy, simple and fast, and we end up spending a lot more time than we anticipated, when it comes to quilling anyway. So today I wanted to show you some butterfly earrings that can be made really fast. The secret is to think and imagine the design, then create the parts not one by one, but preparing all the components at a time, and only after gluing them and arranging and putting them together. Why? Because mass production is always more efficient. I made all of the wings of the butterfly the same way. I started by bending the 2.5mm strips of paper because they are thicker, and this way they will be easier to shape and you will not end up with wrinkled strips of paper. So remember, if you have thicker paper, bend and work it a little bit before you curve it in any way. I chose to combine two colors. I glued the strips at one end all together, 6 of them in total, and then I started creating the swirl, bending the bunch of strips and after that pulling from each strip at a time, starting from the inside in order to equally space the strips one from the other. Then I cut the excess parts and glued everything together to the other end. This way I made two sets of wings, the upper ones bigger and the lower ones a little smaller. What you don't see is actually the secret of making it fast. Once I made the first swirl, before gluing the strips together to the other end, I actually measured the size of the component strips and cut the rest accordingly, which made it easier to create the rest of the swirling wings after that. So, instead of making 8 different swirls, I actually made only 2, a bigger one and a smaller one, and for the rest I just measured the size of the component strips and glued them to the ends in the correct order. I made the body of the butterfly from 5 small tight coils and glued them together. This proved to be a little bit fiddly, but keep your patience about you and you'll get them done in no time. For the next step, I attached the wings to the body of the butterfly, being very careful not to bend the swirls out of shape or put too much glue in any one place. We must now add some bling, and I'm using some small Swarovski crystals to achieve this. They will give us the nice shiny effect that earrings should have, and you'll notice this right away. You can let your imagination run wild here, as you'll find the crystals in a variety of shapes and sizes for basically any project you think of doing. Finally, I created a small loop and put it on the back of the butterfly to have a solid base to attach the ear hooks on. You'll find this Danish self-respecting craft store, and I also put a link in the description to a nice set that you can use. And that's it. I really think they turned out great, and let me know in the comments if you think something should be different. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like, as it will really help. Take care!